Working on projects in the garage has been a little bit challenging because the amount of light in the garage is limited to single bulbs. I believe they're just a 60 watt. I don't have anything here because the hard top for my Jeep would hit the light bulb. So I've unscrewed that one and another bulb here. So for this project, we're going to fix the light situation by putting up some LED light strips. I picked up a 12 pack of 4-foot LED strips. Let's open them up and see what we got. With the 12 LED strips, here's one of them, that came in the package, you received 6 power plugs. They each have a power switch, some mounting hardware, some screws and metal brackets that allow these to clip into the wall or ceiling. This is very light, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. There's also, they give a dozen of these pigtails in case you're going to hardwire the lights to your in-wall wires. And lastly, they give 4-foot extension cords because these lights can be daisy chained. That way you can have, I think, up to 8 connected to a single outlet, which is convenient. In my case, I'm going to probably have 4 connected per plug. And let's just see how bright these guys are. Oh, this should do. I think this is going to be great. To plug the lights in, I bought a few of these light socket adapters. So I'm going to remove the bulbs, screw this in, and I'll be able to plug the lights right in. That way these lights will still work off of the switch in my garage. I bought the ones that have the ability to add a light bulb to the bottom. However, I'm not sure if the garage door will have clearance as that bulb comes down quite a bit. But that's fine because I'll have new lights anyway. Well, the new lights are in, and we can see things are significantly brighter. I ended up putting 4 lights on this half of the bay, another 4 on that half, even though that's not really a work area. Provides just extra ambient light. And then in this part of the ceiling, because of the way the ducting has been walled in, I don't have too much room, so I only ended up putting 2 lights there. But wow, what a difference. Now I can actually see what I'm doing and even work on the bike and do other projects in here at night. If I can fix it, so can you.